Hello everyone, Yelena here with Aneley Cosmetics, and we're going to be talking about simple makeup techniques. And of course, I'm going to bring in some of my expertise from being a hairdresser for the past 13 years. And I decided, you know what, I'm going to do the whole full look as much as I can. So today I'm going to show you how I did the hair in literally 5 minutes. And the makeup. Makeup is very simple. I'm going to use literally like 3 or 4 products. And I'm very excited about this episode. So keep watching. Okay, so we're starting with a fresh face. There's nothing on my face. Last night I have detoxed the face using different scrubs, and if you'd like, I can, tell you all about it in the next video. But it's basically just cleansed, scrubbed, and I put a HYDRA night cream, HYDRA balm, I should say, from Estera. I love it. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with it, and that's all I have on my face, literally nothing else. And I wanted to show you a simple routine that I do basically every single day. It works for, I think, everybody. It depends. Just the only thing you're going to be switching up is the color of the foundation and the type of foundation that you like. I love, for my skin, I have a combination skin. I love the liquid, so I'm like literally almost always out of this. I love it. For my face, usually I'm between a nude, which is this one, which is I'm almost out. I mix them sometimes. In the winter I'm nude, and in the summer I am bamboo, which bamboo is a little bit darker and the tone is a little bit warmer. I tan very well. Right now my tan is kind of coming off, so I like a very, very simple beauty for myself. I am gonna still continue to use a mixture today because I'm kind of in transition between bamboo and nude. I just usually very simply put it in the back of my hand. This is a nude and this is a bamboo. As you can see, the difference in color. Okay, and then I just use my 4-in-1. I just mix it up. I don't have any extra steps, and then I just notice how a little discoloration and just little redness will totally disappear. Also, with this foundation, as I mentioned before, it takes about 30 seconds to a minute to just blend with your face. So I have a little bit of like an olive skin tone, as you can see. So right now it just looks like, what is that? But it actually is my skin. Very light, and it blends perfectly with my neck, which is what you want. You need it to be blending with your neck. As you can see, all the dark circles, obviously with a little baby at home, barely any sleep. I do have some dark circles, nothing so crazy, but I do have. And look at this, I didn't even really have to work so hard, and blends with my scalp also, because obviously my scalp is pretty white because it's covered under the hair, so the sun doesn't really get there so much. And then the rest I'm just blending in so that it's just one pretty layer. Okay, so as you can see, it took like maybe 30 seconds, but now it color corrected itself on my skin, as you can see. So it's not so white as I just started with, right? So it blends, and it blends perfectly with the rest of my neck. There's just some shadow that you guys can't see, but if I pull back, you guys can see it's one. I didn't even blend so much over here. As you can see, it's just my skin, and it blends absolutely perfectly. Okay, and then I'm just going to the hairline. I don't like to do too much work on my face. Next thing, I'm gonna just reverse it and go to this one. Pick up my blush. Everybody does their blushes differently. I like to do a little V, mostly concentration of color around the cheekbones. Using the same brush, the same as you just used, I'm gonna dip into the color Endless Summer. This is it's a little bit of a bronze. It's a new product. We have 2 colors. It's really cute, and you're just gonna dip it, go right under the blush there, from the ear, from the middle of the ear. Just give yourself a little bit of that bronzy look. And that's my baby crying. Don't worry, he's not alone. As you can see, I just kind of gave myself a little shadowing, and now that when I'm smiling, you can see some shadow there. Next I want to do is the eyes. I use the black one because I just like to define my eyes very well. All I do is just, as you see this line that's just natural by the lash line, all I do is just extend it and go a little bit on top of it. That's it. That's all I do. Just like that. Very, very simple. Now, if you want to have a little bit more drama on the bottom, you can do this just by going into your lash line and very gently just smudge it a little bit. That's it. For an evening look, I would go all the way in, But for this, it's just my day look. I don't have to go that far. What you also can do is use the eyelash curler, which I really like. Okay. And then apply mascara. It's very easy, everyday look. Okay, last but not least, you can choose if you want to go for a lighter look, which would be your gloss, or if you want to go for a little bit more lipsticky look. So let me see here. I think I'm gonna do a red lipstick. So this is now it just looks like it's so pretty. Very, very simple, very simple. Okay, now that you're done with the look, I'm gonna show you how I do my hair. Now my hair, I cut it short, so it's really wavy. I'm actually liking it, but I'm gonna show you how to really just do it quick. Okay, I love this one. This is from Power IQ. You take small sections and then you just go through it. Now I like it kind of with like a little wave to it, so I don't work too hard on it. Just all I do is just smoothing it out. You can go either way, either to flip it or to go under with it, whichever way you decide to go. Okay, so I'm gonna just flip it on the bottom, and it's hot, but the best part about it is that if you unlock it here, you get a nice flat iron, which you can use as a flat iron. I don't really use it because with my short hair, I like the wave, I like my natural wave, but normally I would straighten it out because I've been straightening my hair out forever. So you take small sections. I use the alligator clip. I love this clip. Just take section by section, smooth it out down, and then go under. It is so easy to use, you guys. This is what I use every single day. It takes no time. Who has time to do a fully blown hair production, right? But I wanted to show you like a full circle of what I do so that perhaps it will help some of you. Some of you will say, oh, I know this stuff. And that's fine. But for the rest of us who can use a little bit of help in this area, this is perfect. You see, like, I'm literally almost done. It's only one setting, only on and off. It's nothing crazy, you know. I think it's like 450 degrees, something like that. I could be wrong by like maybe 20 degrees, but I love 450 degrees at least for my hair. Now, if your hair is very thin and damaged from bleaching or whatever, I don't recommend 450. I recommend in the 300s, simply because too much heat is just not good for your hair. As you can see, I am on my way to a really nice hair in literally no time. I'm doing it throughout the whole head. I always do my hair last, like maybe 98% of the time. Why? Because you can be sweating, your hair could find humidity, and then it'll be, you know, we have to redo it. I don't like to do that, so I always do my hair last when I'm doing it myself. As you can see on top here, I am creating a little bit of height. I am growing out my hair now. I want them to be a little bit longer, so it's not a lot of volume when you have longer hair, obviously. And then you have just this left. Now this part is up to you. You can do it under, which is gonna create a really nice like bangs, which is very cute. Or what I like to do is going back. Just grab small sections about an inch wide. Deep, I should say. And then just go like that. The whole thing took me, I don't know, 5 minutes. And then you can pin it, you can do whatever you want with it. Ta-da! I hope you like it. Till next time.